Let's answer in how many ways we can arrange 4 people in 4 different seats. So, we have 4 seats. Like so. Now, yes, we have the direct answer with the formula 4 factorial equals to 24. But we're trying to answer how we get 4 factorial and why we have 4 factorial. Let's take these 4 people to be A, B, C, D. Now let's go to a simpler problem. Let's say we have 3 people to arrange in 3 seats. So what can they be? In the first seat, it may be A. Then there are 2 possibilities. First, the second, B can sit down, then C, or the first is there, C and B. Next, if B is the first one to sit down in the first chair, then either A sits second, then C, or B C A. Similarly, C sits first, followed by B A, or C, then A B. So these are the total number of arrangements we can make with 3 people in 3 seats, which is 6. So here I'll be explaining this in a simpler fashion with the branch method. Let's say for the first seat there are 4 possibilities, either A, B, C or D can sit down. A, B, C or D. Then after the first seat, that means one person is already sitting on this seat. Now for the second seat, there are only 3 people left, since one person from the total of 4 is sitting on the first seat, so remaining 3 seats is left for the second seat. Now from there can also be 3 possibilities. There can be 3 possibilities. Then after a second person has sit down, for the third seat there will be 2 possibilities. Then after that there will be 1 seat remaining for 1 possibility. So let's say A is the first one to sit down. Then next there are 3 possibilities for the second chair, either B, C or D. Then similarly for B, either A, C or D can sit on the second chair. For C, A, B or D. For D, A, B or C. And then after the second person has sat down, there are 2 possibilities. Let's say from A, B there are C and D. From C, B and D. From D, B and C. Similarly, for the cases where B sits first, C sits first, D sits first, and then ACD, ABD, ABC respectively, there are also the third seat for these all. Now for the last seat, there will be only one remaining person, and you can fill in the branch if you want. But we can simply take notice that for the first seat, there were 4 different possibilities. Then for the second seat, there were 3 different possibilities. From here, 3 branches spread out. So we have to multiply. Then again, for the third seat, there were 2 different possibilities. And for the last seat, well, the remaining person just sits. So there's only one possible seat or possibility. So in the end, we get 24. Hence, in a general form, if n number of people were given, could be arranged in n different seats, then the solution would be n factorial, as 24 is 4 factorial.